Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's see how to make this 4 steps folded infographics diagram. So please stay tuned. Let's start with inserting this shape. Okay, now let's change the color. Okay, this is done. Now insert another ribbon shape here. Stretch it. Okay. Now insert a rectangle. Tilt it a little. Place it on top of this shape like this. Go to Format, Merge Shapes, and then Subtract. Okay, now we have a new shape ready. Let's fill this with the green color here. Okay, so this shape is ready. Group it. Now duplicate this shape 3 more times and place it in this fashion so that it forms a folded structure. Okay, after placing it in this squarish shape, let's change the colors. Alright, so the shape is ready. Now we need one more shape. This is a rectangle with rounded corners. Okay, after this we need another shape, smaller one here. Okay, so we place this on the side of this box. Alright, we select this and we remove the outlines so that it looks like one shape. Select these two and group them. Also fill it with the same corresponding color. Group them. Now duplicate them 3 more times. Place it here and the 4th one here by rotating it. Great. Now change the colors respectively. Now it's time to insert the icons. So these icons will go and sit on the boxes that we just created. So select any 4 icons. Select the icons respective to your data which you will be inserting here. Okay, change the color to white. You can reduce the size of the icons also. So let's place the icons in those boxes. Okay, so the icons are done. Now it's time to insert a connector. Okay, before that let's insert a text box. So we need 4 text boxes like this. So text boxes are inserted, and as we said, we need the connectors. We insert a line here to join the shape, and then we change it to a dash type of this. Okay, great. So we need 4 more. Alright, let's send them to back so that they are not visible. Alright, that's done. We insert the title. So that's it guys. You can download this slide for free. You have the link in the description. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.